Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I wanted to give you guys some inspiration. This is going to be an all-night clean with me. I can't wait for you guys to see everything that we cleaned. It was a messy house. Listen, let's get started, guys. Guys, in this video, I really want to give you guys some inspiration on your Christmas clean or holiday clean, or should I say winter dark night clean with me, because I'm not sure about you guys, but when I come and sit in this couch, I feel like having kids, you know, I find myself always vacuuming places, the little fingers. So I had to go ahead and deep clean this couch by vacuuming inside and putting back all my, decoration on top of it. That's how I will feel very much, same, like everything is clean. If I don't do that, I feel like there's little crumbs here and there, which I hate, guys. To tell you the truth, guys, let's be candid with each other. My home doesn't get that dirty, especially downstairs. As you know, we live minimally here and clutter free. So you won't see any little knickknacks or clutter or lots of things. These are all my furniture downstairs, this couch and those two chairs with the table. So it doesn't get that dirty, which I love. This is one of the reasons why we went minimal, but I love my home to feel clean in my eyes. So when someone else may look at it, it may look good, but for me, I see every little dirt that no one sees. So vacuuming gives me peace of mind knowing that I got rid of all these things that you don't see with the natural eyes, guys.
Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
So when you guys clean, do you do zone cleaning? And if you're not familiar with zone cleaning, there's lots of videos with those on the internet, on YouTube, wherever. Zone cleaning is basically you cleaning certain part of your home, like items like mirrors and table, and it helps you to clean faster and quicker. Usually people will do zone cleaning within an hour, but I clean less than that. My home is not that big, so cleaning for me is very easy, I should say. But I wanted to give you guys some tips on your day-to-day life. As you know, this is a clutter-free channel. For you to be able to clean less, unless you love to clean, that's up to you. But if you want to live that minimal life and cleaning less, you need to have less things. We went minimal in our home here a little over a year ago and got rid of about 60% of the things we own because we didn't need them. So when it comes to cleaning, it doesn't stress me that much, and it's actually a joyful thing for me because I get to have my home clean, everything in place and sparkling. And you can be like, Gladys, that's too much, cookie cutter for me, but that's how I love to be. My mind has changed. My mindset has definitely changed since we went minimalist. So I thought I would share that tips with you guys. Try your best to declutter your home and get rid of the things you don't need. It may be easier to say than done, but I can definitely do a video for you guys. If you're interested, leave a comment below, guys. So for us, going minimally here has helped us to live intentionally, but it's very hard for me, especially with paper products. I'm trying my best so I can cut off, paper towels and things like that. But I don't think it's fair for your guests when they come over for you to tell them to not use paper product when they want to wipe their hands in the bathroom or after, you know, washing their hands. So I keep that around, but I'm really trying my best to get away from paper product. But what I'm going to go ahead and do now is just go ahead and degrease this table by getting rid of all these dirt. Like I'm telling you guys, you don't see things, but I do. Like that table was filled with oil, you know, little prints, and it's so bothersome. But I leave some dishes like soaking in the sink, which I'm going to go ahead and watch later. But I make sure one tips that I can give you guys also to live intentionally is to, you know, load your dishwasher until it's fully loaded before you can wash it, so that you don't waste any water and, you know, waste money on that. So hopefully that helps. As I told you guys previously that this was going to be an all-night clean with me, as you can see from the title. I really wanted to go ahead and inspire you guys with this video. If you want, grab your coffee, your tea, your hot chocolate, whatever you love to drink. I am a tea drinker. I don't do coffee in this house, but you know, whatever suits your boat, go ahead and drink it. But I'm gonna go ahead and inspire you with some, you know, motivation here with some laundry. When I go ahead and I fold my kids' clothes or my clothes, my husband, whoever lives in this house, I fold them in the KonMari method. If you don't know that, you know, I can leave some description below for you, or just go ahead and, you know, look at KonMari method. But, you know, she folds her clothes very square-like so that they can fit in the closet, in the, you know, dresser. And that's how I, you know, fold my clothes here. But I do laundry, not all the time. I do laundry probably once or twice a week, because I do all the loads all at once. So hopefully that's something that can help you guys as well, so that you don't spend all day, all week just doing laundry. Just keep all the clothes and do them all at once. If you can do that once or twice a week, that will truly help you spend more time with your kids and family instead of spending time doing laundry. So one thing I do not have here in my home is a basket where I carry clothes in. I just carry them in my hand. I think it's easier for me, and less things in my home, less clutter. If I don't need it, I'm not purchasing it. So most of you guys know that I purchase my furnitures, my clothes, my kids' clothes, everything mostly in my home secondhand. So these chairs, or you know, movie theater chairs, were purchased secondhand, but they were brand new. They looked so good. My husband went to go pick them up, but we had them for over a year now, and my kids made it dirty with their little feet. So I really wanted to spruce it up. I didn't want to get rid of it because I loved it. It moves everywhere. It goes from the movie theater upstairs to here, and I really wanted to keep it. So I went to Amazon and I purchased these you know, chairs, recliner covers, and I'm just showing you how I'm putting it, and it worked great, and it's still holding up awesome here. I love the fact that it has the 4-piece instead of just one huge piece, which you can go ahead and cover the arms. You know, the bottom part and the top part is genius, guys. So guys, if you don't believe me how dirty these chairs were, you know, let me give you guys a close-up. They were disgusting. I want to bring a professional cleaner to clean them up, but for now these would do. I love the way it turned out, guys. So I wanted to give you guys, a morning shot of how the bedroom turned out to be. I lost the footage of how I was making the bed, and I'm so sorry guys, but I just wanted to show you how simple and easy it is to maintain a clutter-free home, and I hope that inspired someone. And also wanted to give you guys the morning shot of how the living room turned out. As we saw, we cleaned it together. It was very easy to do without a lot of things around. You can clean your home quick and easy. So a clutter-free home is a clutter-free mind, guys. So try to declutter your home one room at a time. Don't think you can do everything all at once. It's impossible, even for an expert. Just take it day at a time. And for me, that brings me so much joy to have my home clean and clutter-free. This was the next day of the video we did at night. So this will be all for the video, guys. I hope this inspired you and brought you joy in your heart. God bless you guys. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, guys.